If your photo download failed or you keep seeing export errors like code 1 or code 2, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes so you can get your design downloaded successfully without wasting time guessing. This is especially helpful if Fotor gets stuck during export, your file won't save, or the download just keeps failing for no clear reason. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy step-by-step guides. Now, let's get into it. First, let's fix the most common issue, the save location. A lot of photo download failures happen because the browser or operating system is blocking the export path. When you see an error like code 1 or code 2, click download again to bring up the export menu, then change the destination folder before saving. If your file is going to a cloud-synced folder like OneDrive, iCloud, or another protected location, switch it to a simple local folder like desktop or documents. Those folders usually avoid permission conflicts and make the download much smoother. Also, rename the file before saving. Try removing special characters like hashtag symbols, percent signs, ampersands, or non-Latin characters. Sometimes, a file name that looks harmless can still cause export problems, so keeping it short and simple is one of the easiest fixes. If the download still fails, the next thing to try is lowering the image resolution or changing the export format. High-resolution designs, especially large canvases or complicated multi-layer projects, can push your browser memory too far during rendering. That can cause the export to crash or stall halfway through. In Fotor, switch the output format from PNG to JPG, or try JPG to PNG if the first option doesn't work. If you're exporting something in high DPI or a huge size like 4K or 8K, reduce the quality slightly or shrink the dimensions before downloading. Even a small adjustment can make a big difference when the browser is struggling to process the final image. This is one of the best fixes if your design is taking too long to export or keeps freezing at the last second. Another important thing to check is whether your design contains pro assets or premium elements. Sometimes the export fails because the project includes unpaid stock photos, premium fonts, or locked features that Fotor won't allow in a free export. If that's the case, review your design carefully and look for anything marked as pro or anything that might require a subscription. Replace those assets with free alternatives, remove watermark protected elements, and then try downloading again. This can instantly solve export problems that seem like technical errors but are actually license restrictions. You should also check your network connection, especially if you're using a VPN or proxy. Fotor relies on cloud rendering for many exports, so your connection has to stay stable while the file is being created. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it temporarily and try again. The same goes for proxy tools or unstable network connections. A clean direct internet connection often fixes download failures that happen without warning. If Fotor connects properly to its servers, the export process is much more likely to finish successfully. So to recap, if Fotor says your download failed, start by changing the save location and simplifying the file name. Then lower the resolution or switch export formats if the design is too heavy. After that, make sure there are no pro assets blocking the export and turn off any VPN or proxy that could interfere with Fotor's servers. These steps solve most Fotor download issues fast, and in many cases you can fix the problem in just a minute or two. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.